South and Southeast Asia runs on two-wheelers. In fact, 70% of global two-wheeler sales in 2023 were in this region alone. Within this region, Pakistan and Indonesia represent a large customer base. By number of sales, Pakistan is the fifth largest and Indonesia the second largest market in the world. These markets are experiencing a rapid transition towards electrification within the two-wheeler segment. Today, 5% of two-wheelers are EVs, but this number is expected to hit 60% by 2027. This huge growth is because EV fleets can help reduce total cost of ownership by 30% due to reduction in fuel and in maintenance costs. But switching from gas to electric is not that easy. Take the example of Ali, a fleet manager in Pakistan who manages a fleet of 500 bikes. With the promise of lower costs, Ali started moving his fleet from gas to electric bikes. But this transition ended up being a disaster for Ali and his riders. His new EV bikes would run out of battery and drivers couldn't find a place to charge them. Ali's mechanics did not know how to service the bikes, so when they broke down, he had to pay a lot of money to get them fixed. All of this led to late deliveries, and then to angry customers and frustrated drivers. Instead of saving money with his new fleet, Ali actually ended up spending 15% more running his new electric fleet. We are here to solve this problem. Orko is a one-stop EV platform that helps fleet managers seamlessly transition from gas to electric. We have built our platform from the ground up to provide end-to-end fleet management tools. Our platform integrates EV manufacturers, fleet operators, drivers, and charging stations into one unified system. This results in predictive maintenance and real-time tracking and charging optimization, so fleets can transition seamlessly from gas to electric. With Orko, Ali can now implement EV bikes easily, reducing his operational cost by 30% compared to gas fleets while maximizing his fleet uptime. Let me show you how it works. Ali logs into the Orko platform and registers his bikes. He has the ability to bulk add his vehicles within 5 minutes. Once the bikes are registered, the Orko dashboard shows him an overview of this entire fleet status, including the statuses of vehicles, driver assignments, and current locations. Ali is then alerted that 2 of his vehicles need battery maintenance soon. This predictive alerts helps Ali schedule maintenance before any issue arises, avoiding breakdowns on the road. Ali is also able to schedule a charging slot whenever required, which results in energy savings and ensuring that all vehicles are ready when drivers need them the most. We can get an electric fleet up and running and saving money in less than a month. We charge on average $10 subscription fee per vehicle per month from our customers. We also charge a fixed fees of on average $4,000 a month per fleet. The market opportunity for EV fleet software stands at about $2.5 billion across Pakistan and Indonesia. Orko is uniquely positioned in the EV ecosystem as we provide holistic data across EV two-wheeler brands, from the vehicles to drivers to charging stations, where others only focus on one piece of the fleet management puzzle. Other vehicle manufacturers also offer their own fleet management systems, but they only work with their own EV models. Orko integrates with any EV bike brand, allowing operators to optimize the design of their fleets. I am Talha Khan. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Orko. I have previously worked at JCM Power, where I led large-scale renewable energy projects, providing me with the expertise to bring clean energy solutions to the market. I have previously founded Luminosity, where I developed IoT systems for commercial energy management. My co-founder, Hassan Raza, is Orko's CTO. He has deep experience in scalable and cloud-native platforms, having worked at Microsoft and built various SaaS platforms before. Together, we've built a team of engineers and business leaders committed to driving the future of electric fleets and solving the operational challenges fleet managers face in transitioning to EVs. We've onboarded 10 EV manufacturers so far, the 6 major ones having combined sales of 30,000 units per month. We also have 12 plus fleet operators onboarded, managing over 2,000 vehicles for them through our platform. The combined opportunity for these fleets is over 100,000 vehicles, which means we have just gotten started. Since launching in August 2023, we've grown every month, and we're now averaging $45,000 of monthly recurring revenue. Based on the contracts we have in place, we remain on track to hit our target MRR of $100,000 by March 2025. We are raising $1.5 million in our seed round to help scale Orko across Pakistan and Indonesia. The EV market in this region is exploding, and Orko is perfectly positioned to become the go-to platform for fleet operators looking to transition to electric and reduce operational complexity. Join us in transforming the future of electric fleets across emerging markets. Thank you.